Hi, it's Chris. Today I'm going to show you how to install the lower spray arm on your dishwasher. A very easy repair, requires very few tools. We'll take you through it step by step. To replace our parts today, all we need to do, we do not have to disconnect the power, we do not have to shut off the water, we just need to open our door and remove our racks, and then everything's done right there. Lower rack is easy, of course, just rolls right out. Just take it out and set it to one side. So now with our racks out of place, we're just going to remove this lower spray arm. And it's really easy. You're just going to hold this with your thumb and turn your spray arm. Now the trick to it is, for pretty well everybody's used to a nut and bolt, and the old saying, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Well, this is just the opposite. This is actually a left-hand thread. So we're going to turn the screw as if we were tightening it, and that releases your spray arm. Now we discard our old spray arm, get our new one, set it down into place, and again, act as if we were trying to unscrew a nut, because it's a left-hand thread. Tighten it up by hand, and your spray arm is replaced. Close your door and your repair is complete.